Hi, welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to add page number on PDF files. So I've opened an example here. You'll see like this page, this PDF file, it doesn't come with any page numbers here. So our target is to add page numbers here. There are many ways you can do it, but I'm going to show you a very simple way to do that. So for that, you have to go to a website. I've already added it on the YouTube description and select the PDF file. So this is our file. Okay. So the basically already added what needs to be done. But if you want to make some changes, for example, if you want to change the position of the number, you can just select it from here. This is the left bottom, this left top. So usually it's we put page numbers here, and the margin is I suggest using the recommended one. The page mode should be single page, but if you want to have numbers on the facing pages, you can select it. But I'm going to go with the single page one. The first number is one, unless you have other pages that you don't want to start with the one. You can change it from here. There are a couple of other options. You can just explore it. You can also change the way the text appears. We'll just add it now. You have to click the add page numbers. We have to wait a little bit, and it's been done already. We'll just download the PDF file now, and once it is done, we'll open it. My Chrome opens it. It's opened here. You see, like they already added the number 1, 2, 3. Let's check it from here. Is it 11? Should be 11. It's 11. So see, this is how you actually add page numbers to PDF files very easily. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.